ELK is Elastic, Logstash, and Kibana. Okay, and now we get started to install it. Okay, first, if you don't have the Docker, you can install Docker and Docker Compose on your Ubuntu. Okay, and my scenario I already have installed. Okay, so let's go to step 2, create the Docker Compose file. First, we need to create the directory. Okay, and I go to my Docker server, I create the directory and nano Docker Compose. Okay, and I explain a bit. We use Docker version 3 and service. We have 3 services: Elastic, Logstash, and Kibana. Okay, and Elastic is the container that can pull the event viewer from the window and store the information. Okay, and Logstash, it is get the syslog from your switch or your server, anything that can push to port 5140. And Kibana is a container that can view the dashboard. Okay, so let's get started. So now I copy this compose, pass into here. Okay, and save the file. Alas, I see one file called Docker Compose. Okay, and go to step 3, create Logstash configuration. Okay, now we need to create the folder Logstash config, and we create Logstash config 2 that can receive syslog from your server or your switch, point to port 5140. Okay, go to step 3 and I copy and pass, and I copy the config file of Logstash, save. Okay, and then we need to pull the Docker container. Okay, now it is download completed. Let's check. The container is running. Docker ps. This is the container is running. 3 container. Okay, first is Logstash, second Kibana, and third is Elasticsearch. Okay, here's the guideline. You can wait around 5 minutes to input this command line to reset the password. Okay. Now we see the confirmation. Would like to continue? We click yes. Okay, the password we put for testing 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, I pass. You can pass the password. APM system, Kibana system with the same password. Okay. Okay, now the password has reset. We have reset it, Elastic, and password 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now Elastic has complete install and we can set it. This is the integration, or you can explore on my own. Okay, we want to post the event viewer from that server to ELK. Okay, we need to download the WinLogbit agent. I go to official website and download the WinLogbit zip. and then extract it. Okay, this is the configuration of the winlog bit. I correct it. Edit in Notepad++, and you scroll down again, you will see the configuration of Elastic. I put the IP of my Elastic server. Okay, you can confirm here 20 20 20 92. Okay, Elastic 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the Elastic server, so we need to point to that server and credential Elastic password 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, you can save, and then we okay, let's get started. Click on winlog bit that we just copy it, and you need to right click on that and click run with PowerShell to install it. Okay, you can click yes for allow policy. Okay, now we complete install, and we need start the service. Okay, now we can see the service is running. Okay, and go back to the Elastic Kibana, create data view. Okay, and this is the winlog bit that received from the Windows server we just installed it. This, okay, and click save data view. Here's discover, you can click discover. Okay, this is 15 minutes ago. Okay, and you can expand here to see the detail. Here is the information that get logged from the event viewer of the Windows server, and I filter agent hostname and agent type. Okay, and I find the message here. Okay. Yes, this is, we can see the detail of the event viewer from the Windows server. Okay, you can see security policy and the group policy object has been applied successfully. This all the information in the winlog bit in the event viewer. It will post to Elastic, and Kibana is the dashboard to view it. Okay. Okay, now we can see all the information from the event viewer, and now we post the syslog from the Ubuntu to the ELK. Okay, so we go to create the Logstash config for syslog in Ubuntu. We copy. Okay, and I pass here. This is my Docker server and port 5140, and click save, and then restart the syslog. Okay, and you can test the message. Okay, and create one more data view. Okay, this is the syslog that we just pushed from the Ubuntu. I put the name syslog, and index pattern syslog. Okay, and timestamp. Save data view with to Kibana. Okay, now we see the test message from the Ubuntu Logstash. This is the information that we get from the Ubuntu syslog. Okay, syslog hostname Ubuntu syslog message. Okay, you can filter from the Kibana. This is the most important thing that IT should install or should deploy it to monitor your system or to monitor your syslog.